Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to boost Wi-Fi speed using DNS settings. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So we know that by changing your DNS settings, it can improve sometimes the internet speed, especially during browsing and website loading. To start, you have to go to your settings, go to more connections, tap on private DNS, click this one. And here you need to simply select your private DNS provider hostname, enter one of the following such as Cloudflare, Google, Quad9, AdGuard, and then after that tap on save. So using private DNS can prevent any DNS spoofing. It may increase security and speed, and of course boost Wi-Fi speed. Next is scroll down till you see this add network right here. Tap on show advanced options, click this one. And then here what you're going to do next is you have to select IP settings, click this one. And from dynamic, change this to static. Now feel free to change the field, the example value, gateway, DNS1. You can also follow this like 8.8.8.8, Google DNS, DNS2, 8.8.4.4 or 1.1.1.1. After that, tap on the Save button. So basically, this is the second method. Now, the third method we have here is by downloading a third-party application. So this is DNS Changer. You need to install this one and then open. And yes, changing your DNS can help boost Wi-Fi speed, especially in terms of faster website loading, better responsive, and sometimes more stable community. So you can try servers like the provider Google, Cloudflare, OpenDNS, Quad9. Primary DNS, you can use the 88881111, secondary DNS 88441001. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.